Yo, hey, you down there. Hannah sends you? Can you clear out these deadheads so we can talk? If she's undead? No. Turns out the answer is no. Now there are tooth marks in my shin guard. Ugh. Yo, hey, you down there. Hannah sends you? Can you clear out these deadheads so we can talk? Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, Hannah said to expect you. Up here.
Hi. Having fun up there?
This is where the FX controls are. Thing is, when I climbed up here, I didn't notice that I had half a starlet with her teeth sunk into my shin guard. She chewed through a bunch of wires trying to get at me before I finished her off.
Relentless fuckers, aren't they?
The obnoxion here is that I'm trying to reverse engineer the setup they have for these D-Day effects. But they're all tangled, and I've already set off one quiet on-set alarm in a random blast. So now we have unwanted extras pouring in, including a big, gross, postulae fucker.
Don't sweat it. I'm a one-woman war on zombie kind.
There's some mortar controls in the Sanger at the top of that hill, I think. Between those and the stuff up here, we can probably make the beach a dangerous place to be for the zombies. But maybe stay up there, 'cause I don't want to trigger something by accident and, like, blow your legs off.
Yeah, I'm still quite attached to my left foot.
I think I hooked up a trigger for some mortars. Either that or smoke. Can you try one of those switches out and see if it worked? Now we're cooking. Ah, shit! More extras coming! Stay up on that hill! The mortars on my right, on your left, they're ready. Danger close mortars, ready when you are. the right side mortars at will, Sarge. Okay, the left mortar's reloaded. The danger clothesline of mortars is hooked up. I see we have a growing audience. Let's have some fun! Right-hand mortar's good to go when you are. Left mortars are locked and loaded. The mortars on my right. On your left, they're ready. I've hooked the mortars on your right back up for you. Woo! Hannah said you were the business and she was right. Stellar fucking work there.
We made a good team.
And you bought me enough time to make sense out of this spaghetti of wires up here.
What did you find?
New ideas and new know-how. Some of which might apply to you, in fact. I've got an idea for something to gussy up your weapons.
Well, I guess that's a good thing, right? Okay, cool. Think you can make it back alone?
Oh, yeah. And the Venice canals are gonna get a lot more dangerous to deadheads as soon as I'm back there.
Calling LA's resident badass. You there?
Hi, Hannah. You lost another one?
It's you! Thank fuck. And yeah, Dez hasn't checked in, and I'm starting to get super worried. You, up for rescuing another damsel in distress?
Just call me Princess Charming. Where is this Des?
The Reverend Dr. Ms. Desiree likes to play with volatile chemicals and went to raid the CDC's stash on the beach. So I guess I'd start there.
I'll run over there and take a look. I'll just break a window. Hi! I heard your message. Anyone? I might be too late. They had a game plan. They wanted to keep broadcasting. Oh, someone's still alive. I'm gonna need your keycard. Shit! Hi, it's okay. Hey, I've seen you on TV.
Oh God, you nearly gave me a heart attack. You got the message.
Yeah, so, what's going on? I found one of your colleagues dead in the lobby.
I know. We've been here reporting since it all started. Telling truth to the people. At least until we realized no one was getting our broadcast. We thought we could survive long enough to get the story out. But you saw David. There's something in here with us.
Okay, then we need to find it, fast.
The others are busy upstairs. Can you get to the basement? If you get the servers working, we've got surveillance cameras to track whatever this thing is.
Sounds like a plan.
I'm Esther, by the way. Though you already know that. And this is Nora.
Amy. And don't worry. Whatever's in here, I'll kill it.
Think we can trust them? Does it matter? Fair. At least they look like they can handle themselves.
Servers. Where's the on-off button? I'll just press buttons. Winner. Easy.
You got it. The cameras are up.
Can you see anything?
Oh my God. Something's happened. You need to get to the conference room right now. Go up the stairs twice, then be ready.
Come on, Ames. You got this. Esta, it got... Hey, Constant.
OSK.
Also, Constant OS, the operating system created by Conrad Realities.
You and me, freako. Let's go. Hey! That's cheating! Breaking news! Monsters slain. And now, for the weather. It's done. You okay?
We're fine. Fuck. Without you, we'd be dead like the others. I'll lift the shutters. We need to get our things and deal with the bodies.
And then what?
We can't broadcast, but we can keep investigating. I'm not missing the chance of a lifetime. Heard a lot about the military evacuation on the beach. It's time we saw it for ourselves.
Well, there's a story in that, for sure. I'll probably be back there myself the way things are going.
Maybe see you there then.
Hey, look after yourselves out there. It's no picnic.
You too. We can't just leave the bodies of the others upstairs like that. We'll go together.
Like Runyon Canyon.
Exactly. Get our stuff on the way. Supplies, recorders, batteries. Welcome back.
Lousy fuckheads.